This video tutorial will explain how to use the Kohera3D Rhino plugin. After running the Kohera3D installers, we'll want to open Rhino7, grab the Kohera3D Rhino.rhi file, and just simply drag and drop that into Rhino7. And go ahead and complete the installation. Then we'll want to restart Rhino7, and we'll want to launch Kohera3D. So the first step is getting the two pieces of software to communicate with each other. In Kohera3D, you'll see this red icon. We'll want to click that, and then click the Start Connection Server and accept, or we can go over to the Models tab and click Enable Rhino3D Connection. We'll see this icon has now turned yellow. Switch over to Rhino7 and type in Connect to Kohera3D and look for a message connected to Kohera3D. So let's switch back over to Kohera3D. And we can see that this icon is now green. So the first thing we want to do is add scans into the scene window here, make a point selection, and then create a surface from those scan data points. To do that, click the temporary scans folder, and then click this folder here to add a scan to the project. Or if you already have an existing project, click the Open Project icon. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to work with a single scan, but you can use multiple scans. I have this boat here, this portion of this hull, and what I want to do is select points and create a surface from those points. We'll switch over to the Home tab, and under Shape, let's pick the Polygon Select tool. And we have tutorials on the website that explain all these different features, including the selection tools. I'm just going to grab a portion of this hull, okay, to create a surface from it. Now, when I made the selection, I was able to select points in the background, and I don't want those to be a part of my selection. Everything you select, a surface will try to be created from all points. So what I'm going to do is switch over to selected, and I'm going to get rid of everything or deselect all the stuff that I do not want to create a surface with. And then it's pretty much as simple as right-clicking, Rhino3D Create Surface, Make Surface with Convex Boundary, set your NURB surface parameters, and click Accept. Let's switch back over to Rhino7, and we have a message here, Receive Points and Surface. So let's open up this perspective view. I'm going to switch it to Shaded. And here we have a NURBS surface created from our point selection. Now there's a variety of other options. For example, if you just want to send selected points, you can do that here. And under Models, there's some sending options where you can work with density and choose colors for the scan data that gets sent over to Rhino7. Now, if you're using point groups, which is a part of Kohera3D Ultimate, you can add those to the project and save your selection to a custom layer. Let's view all points. And now this has been saved to that layer. Let's save the project, and then you can take this and you can add to that selection and make edits if you need to. Thank you for watching.